Well, I go and make we cook some Jamaican food. We're going to use pumpkin. So we Dutch pot up on the fire. We're going to add some water. Add the diced pumpkin. We have to put some salt in that. Because we want it to have flavor. Add pimento berries, garlic. Take out the grease. Stir that in. Scallion and thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, and then mix that up. Cover the pot to make it nice and soft. I'm going to wash the rice. I know I don't have to tell me to wash on the rice, so. But wash on the rice. Add the rice now. See the pumpkin nice and soft. Stir that in or mix that in. Nice and soft. Look on that. Look on pretty color. Now time for the fish. Then we're going to wash the fish. Them salt and pepper them down. Fry them up to the nice and crisp. Look on that. Add them in our sauce. Look on shrimp. Look on food.